Hello, KW family. We are in the final countdown to family reunion. I'm sure you're wondering, how do you log into the family reunion platform and start bookmarking your breakout sessions that you want to attend? First things first, you have received an email from our family reunion marketing team. Please open the email and go to the Let's Get Started button. This button will take you to our platform called Swapcard. Here you will need to create your login details, where you will then have your very own personal family reunion experience for 2021. Here you can see all of the attendees, the speakers, our wonderful sponsors, and of course the agenda, your event. These are all the sessions that you have bookmarked, as well as what's going to be live at that specific moment. So be sure to log in and get to know the platform, and most importantly, go to the Sessions tab. Here you will see that the sessions are divided by day, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And on every day, you can see exactly what will be presented that day. On Tuesday, of course, we're going to have the state of the company and our 8th annual award ceremony. From Wednesday through Friday, we will be having breakout sessions from 3 p.m. till 5 p.m. There is so much content and so much value going to be delivered. So please make sure you run through the breakout sessions and mark the ones that you want to attend. So once you've seen what the breakout session is about, who will be hosting the breakout session, you can click on this little plus button on the right-hand side of the page, and this will add this to your agenda that you're building specifically for your family reunion experience. These items that you mark on your agenda will automatically play when you're at that specific time slot. So be sure to go to your sessions, mark the ones that you're excited to attend, and be ready on the day at the hour to watch your amazing breakout session. We can't wait to see you at Family Reunion. Log in today and don't miss out.